This 2022 CrossRoads Volante VL3601LF high profile is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, skylight, air conditioning, slide-out, oven, water heater, DVD player, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, leveling jacks, and 64 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 CrossRoads Volante VL3601LF high profile is 12,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.